Abandoned shell! Allow 6 to 8 minutes for delivery. Always tip your mail carrier. Always tip your postal worker. Am I even moving? Any slower, I'd be going backwards. Back off! Back off, slugs! Bring it on! Check me out. Come on! Coming through! Don't hate me because I'm beautiful! Look at me, escargot! Ah! 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 Faster is better. Faster would be better. I have a footache. Or is that a stomachache? Fully loaded. Got mail? I'm hell in a shell. Hey, I just waxed my shell. How's that for express service? I can do better. I deserve a promotion. I deserve a raise. I feel the need for speed. I got a hot foot. I'm falling and I can't get up. I can't take it anymore. I'm going postal. Ah! That's it. I'm going postal. Wah! No more Mr. Nice Snail. I'm going postal. Ah! I'm gonna need a new shell. I'm on fire. I'm on fire, baby. Now I'm packing. Who's the snail? I'm the snail. I need a new job. I sleep faster than this. I sure could use a salad. It burns! It's not just a shell, it's a lifestyle. Just try and stop me. Make way! My eyes! My name is Turbo. My new mailing technique is unstoppable. My shell is tripped out. Not cool. On time and feeling fine. Ow! Oh! Oh! Ah! Part foot, part tummy. All snail. Postage due.
Destroy! Hold out! Hey, go fast! Snail alert! Victory!
Smokin'! Snail Mail, always on time. Snail Mail delivered in 30 minutes or it's free. Snails in space! Somebody call for a delivery? Somebody pinch me. Somebody stop me. Special delivery. Speedy delivery. That's gonna leave a mark. Woohoo! That was awesome. That was cool. This is a job for Turbo. This is not my day. Today the mail, tomorrow the galaxy. I'm a trailblazer. Turbo's the name, Snail Mail's the game. Hi, I'm Turbo the Snail. Steer me with a mouse. Lasers are rockets. I can destroy slugs. If I have lasers, shoot the slugs. Steer clear of the red rings. They slow me down. Yellow rings, they blow up my enemies. Yippee! I can't blow up turrets, so guide me around them. If I grab enough rings, I'll become invincible. Woohoo! I can plow through slugs when I'm invincible. Excellent. Time to hit the post office. Ah! More salt! If I take too much damage, I go postal. The blue barriers prevent me from falling off the sides of the highway. I work for Snail Mail. Help me collect packages. Asteroids slow me down. Hold the mouse button to shoot them. Don't let me fall through the holes in the highway. Salt burns me. I can't shoot salt. I have to avoid it. Hearts restore my postal meter, located on the right. Look out! Evil slugs try to knock me off the highway. I get better weapons when I go through rings. Uh-oh. Watch out. Whoa, dude. Whoa! Woohoo! Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Time for some zoom-zoom.